Yes, please audience, motivate them, clap.
Come over here. Come this side.
Hey friend, what's up? I'm good. What happened? Why are you feeling so low?
Actually, I'm so done with this petrol prices increasing day by day. This is a very difficult situation for a common man to deal with.
Yeah.
So, let it be. Which car do you have?
Yes, listen.
Petrol or diesel?
Neither of the one.
Oh, how is it possible?
Because I have electric car.
Oh,
Yeah. So with this, we introduce you with our business plan, electric vehicle charging station.
So let's start with what is electric vehicle charging station? Electric vehicle charging station is a very new to Indian market. Like there are 1640 electric vehicle charging stations exist in India. Like we need petrol or diesel to run our regular vehicles, in the similar way we need electric vehicle charging stations to operate our electric vehicles. Next we have is Indian government about electric vehicles. First of all, there is no license required to establish an electric vehicle charging station. There is just need an approval of this form who send an inspector or administrator to check the quality and safety of equipment. The government in the same way made an 360-degree effort to remain the public service infrastructure in a very good way and include public and private both the companies. The next, the government also includes affordable tariff plans for both the public and private companies and for the investors and owners of electric vehicles. So here is the name of our company, the Charge Point, TCP, and with the tagline "Step towards a sustainable future." The next we have is business model. Basically in business models we are organizing two types of chargers where two are slow chargers and three are fast chargers. Where the slow chargers adds around 18 to 30 miles of range to your electric car per hour. On the other hand, these fast charger stations can charge about 80% of your battery in around 30 minutes. The next we have is marketing strategies. First, banners nearby showrooms so that our potential customer who is supposed to buy some electric vehicle get an idea of the electric vehicle charging station nearest to his location. Next we have is social media as our promotional strategy. Next we have free charge for first 5 times. This is our sales strategy. Next we have distribute pamphlets in showrooms and battery shops. Advertisement on screen setups in nearby red lights or at the right or left top corner on the crossroads, so that our advertisement runs easily in a continuous manner for 24 hours. Next we have is coupons and discounts for regular customers. We have chosen Gurugram as our location for our electric vehicle charging station, where we are providing the facility of charging station and services like valet services as our portable services. Whenever we go to mall, they took our key and charge our electric vehicle and send it back to us. And other services we are providing: games, food and restaurant, newspaper, mobile app. Through mobile app they can book their prior services and also give their feedback to us that how they are organizing or enjoy our services or no, in a good way or a bad way also. Up to my business partner.
So the vision of our company is to develop electric vehicle charging stations across India to meet the demands of customers. Our mission is to provide e-mobility solution with cost-effective, reliable and high-quality services. So these are the financial details. As he has said, we need 5 charging stations. One is CSS, which costs approximately 7.5 lakhs. Next is CHADEMO, which is of power output 50 kilowatts. It also costs 7.5 lakhs. Next is type 2 AC of 22 kilowatts. It costs 1,25,000. Next is Bharat DC 001, which is of 15 kilowatts, of cost 2,40,000. Bharat AC 001, 3 into 3 kilowatts of 70,000. So the capital expenditure followed is new electricity connection. We will be needing new electricity connection to run the charging station. We will be needing transformer, panels, breakers, energy meters, which will cost us 7.5 lakhs. Next is civil work. We will be needing floor painting, boards, branding, etc., which will cost us 2.5 lakhs. EV AC management software. So it is mandatory by the government to have for all the electric stations to have a software for them. So we will be developing this software, and the cost to develop that will be 50,000. CCTV camera setup will be 30,000. So the total capex, that is capital expenditure, will be 30 lakh 15,000. Now come to the OPEX, which is operating expenditures. One skilled staff will be providing him salary of 25,000 per month, leading to 3 lakh per annum. One site maintenance staff with a salary of 15k per month. Network service provider, the company which will be providing network to run our mobile app, will be costing 3,000. Land and lease rental 50,000 per month will be costing us 6 lakh. Advertisement cost 3,000 per month will cost us 36 lakh. So the operating cost comes to be 11 lakh 22,000. Funding. Now how will be raising the funds to run our business? So me and my partner will be investing 20 lakhs by ourselves. The total expenditure of our business is around 50 lakhs. So 10 lakhs, me and 10 lakhs, 10 lakh he will be investing. Now 30 lakhs as a business fall under the category of MSME, which is micro, small, medium enterprises, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. We will be getting 30 lakhs fund from MSME, and if we have done the research for that, under MSME, SBI is providing us loan, and they will be charging us interest of 6.5% per annum. With that, then we are adding, we have to pay extra taxes of 2.5. So around 9.5 we will be paying the interest for that. So that's how we'll be raising our funds. Revenues. So these are the revenue we'll be having. So the total capacity, we have set 3 scenarios: bad, moderate and good scenario for our business. And the total capacity will be 11,82,600. So if we talk about bad scenario, if only 50% of the capacity will be given to the customers, then we'll be having 5,91,300. And if we charge the electricity tariff 3 rupees, then the yearly revenue will be 17 lakh. If we move on to the moderate, if we use 75% of the capacity and charge 3 rupees, we'll be getting 26 lakh 60,000. Followed by good scenario, 11 lakh
4 minutes left.
11 lakh 82,600. If we use 95%, we'll be getting revenue of 33 lakh. Now, yearly operating cost is 11 lakh 22,000. If we reduce the earning before interest will be 4 lakh 74,051. If we see all the three scenarios, in first scenario we'll be able to reach our break-even point at 6.5 years. In moderate scenario we'll be reaching our break-even point in 2.5 years, and in good scenario we'll be reaching our break-even point in 1.5 years. Thank you. So that's
See, will you please pardon the question? Yes, sir.
Sir, because we are choosing the location near the highway because it connects the Manesar highway, which is near the Rajasthan, so the travelers or the daily
So we have chosen the location Gurugram because the people who are working there are many, and we have chosen specific location on the highway which connects there's a highway which connects from Rajasthan, Jaipur, Udaipur. So it's a connecting highway from Haryana and Rajasthan area, and this is for the first charging station. We'll be having many more. Pan India is our mission. So we have chosen this location because Gurugram in Haryana, we basically belong from Haryana. So in Haryana, our best suited place is Gurugram because there many employed people are there and they are already using electric cars. So they will be needing electric charging stations also. So that is our reason for choosing Gurugram.
Today, the vehicles are very less. Electric vehicles.
Yes, sir.
Your budget is very high.
Yes, sir.
How you justify this?
Sir, actually,
How viable you project?
yes, sir. Sir, Indian government is investing in green economy. If we have taken, the Indian government has taken the investment from Japan of 30 billion euros to move towards the green economy, which will help to boost our business in coming area. And if we talk about the past few years, in 2019, the production of these cars were around 2.2 million, and if we talk about 2021, it has risen up to 6.6 million. So it is rising day by day, and it is need of an hour to switch from petrol cars to the electric cars. So it may be a huge investment, one-time investment, but our operating cost is not that much. And as I have told you that if we have a moderate scenario, we'll be able to reach our break-even point within 2.5 weeks. So
When vehicle increase, there is
Yes,
a concept swapping the battery.
yes,
How
sir.
you face that challenge?
So swapping of batteries will be done.
Nobody want to charge this vehicle and spend 30 to 45 minutes. You just want to swap the battery, take just 5
No,
minutes.
sir, that will cost you a lot of amount if you swap the battery, because swapping of battery will obviously it will be expensive more to switch.
That is easy, of course. You just swap the battery. You put your battery for charging and take
Alright, sir, if we're talking, yes, sir, we'll be providing that facility also, as we have told that we'll be having valet services and portable charging. So that facility will be provided by us only. We'll be having batteries, as we have said in the advertisement that we'll be doing the advertisement through battery shops also. Just a second, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, in battery shops and showrooms. So we'll be doing an advertisement there also. So we have this option with us.
that for that challenge.
Yes, sir.
परसों टाटा नेक्सॉन ने गाड़ी लॉन्च की है, कीमत है उसकी 17.5 लाख रुपए,
Yes, sir.
और वो कह रहे हैं कि 450 किलोमीटर की चार्जिंग करेंगे।
बिल्कुल सर.
तो यहाँ से मान लो दिल्ली से अमृतसर किसने जाना हो 330 किलोमीटर, तो जैसे सर अभी कह रहे थे कि बैटरी का तो साथ में साइड बाई साइड कोई प्रोविजन होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज दूसरा ऑप्शन क्या हो सकता है?
सर दूसरा ऑप्शन सर बैटरी का तो एक ऑप्शन है ही. उसके बाद सर पोर्टेबल चार्जिंग होती है. वी कैन हैव पोर्टेबल चार्जर्स विच यू कैन चार्ज एनीवेयर इफ यू.
So most of the times, like we are seeing that in CNG cars, there is two options. Like one is CNG, other is petrol for reserve section. In the same way, if we have some electric vehicles, there must be two options. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. So in that case, sir,
To answer your question, sir, in that case, the customer will already have that backup with him because he will be charging the battery beforehand only. And these batteries are not like if we charge up to 80%, it will give you a long run, sir. And that to charge 80%, you need only 30 minutes. And as we said that the charging stations are developing day by day, so that you will get one or two charging stations in between. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you, Team 5.